In this video, I will guide you how to submit the standard e-invoice to MyInvois Portal using Million software. In Million software, there are two ways to submit the standard e-invoice. So let's get started. So first, you need to go to Sales and then go to Invoice. Here, you need to create the new invoice. Select your adapter. Here, I select SL Software Solutions number HUD and make sure that the date of the invoice is correct. Next, I go to Body and you select the product code. This one I choose magazine. Then you can set the quantity and then you save product and then click Save. Now, I already created one invoice, INV 00016. Now, to submit the standard e-invoice, I need to close and then go to Sales, Sales Report, and then go to E-Invoice document. At here, I can filter the document type to invoice, debit note, credit note, and cash sales. So now I choose invoice. And here you can show documents both not sent or sent. And here I will choose not sent yet. And here you can filter the date. So here I filter the date of 1st of September until 30th of September. And then you click refresh. Then you can see the invoice that you created just now, MV16. And you select the invoice and then you click send. And then yes. Now the records are sent to MyInvois Portal. Okay. Then, to check the document whether it already sent or not, you can change here the show document to send. And then you click refresh. Here you can see the invoice 16s are already sent to the MyInvois Portal. Then you need to check the invoice here. Or you can select all the invoice by select this button and then you need to check the status. This one will check whether the invoice here is already valid or not valid. After checking complete, you can see that the invoice here is already valid. Then you can click post, refresh, and then here you can see if the invoice already validated, it will show validated, and if not sent, it will blank here. Okay, and that is the first step to send the standard e-invoice. Now I will show you how the invoice that we submit just now have been submitted at the MyInvois Portal. So you open your MyInvois Portal, you can choose submission of document, and here at the document here, you can select here, and you can see that this is the invoice that we have sent just now. It shows invoice 00016. It shows that the document is already validated.